Finding the perfect replacement shelf for your refrigerator can feel like a quest to find a missing puzzle piece. And the JUFZQO W11130200 freezer glass shelf is designed to fit that need precisely. This shelf, a crystal clear expanse of durable glass, is a perfect match for the Whirlpool WRS571CIHW04. The Whirlpool WRS571CIHZ00, and particularly the Whirlpool WRS571CIHZ04 Freezer Shelf. Bringing order and light back to your appliance. It is not merely a piece of glass. It is the stage upon which your frozen culinary treasures will be displayed, offering a sturdy and reliable foundation. Furthermore, this shelf replaces several part numbers, including W11130200, W11133885, and WPW1056129, so you can be confident in its compatibility and function. Meanwhile, its dimensions of 17.5 by 13 inches are a meticulous fit, ensuring there are no gaps or wobbly corners. Ultimately, it's a seamless integration, as if it were there from the very beginning. This replacement shelf is a testament to both form and function, offering more than just a place to rest your frozen goods. Indeed, its sleek glass surface is like a calm winter pond, reflecting the light and making it easier to see everything inside your freezer, which in turn helps you find what you need quickly and efficiently. Moreover, the smooth, non-porous surface is incredibly easy to clean, so spilled liquids or crumbs are not a problem. You can simply wipe them away, and the shelf will be as good as new. The sturdiness of the glass feels reassuring, and it stands as a sentinel against the weight of heavy frozen items, such as large bags of ice or family-sized lasagnas. For instance, if you have a Whirlpool WRS571CIHZ04 freezer shelf that is cracked or missing, this shelf is the key to restoring your refrigerator to its full potential, providing the robust support it was meant to have. Consequently, this shelf elevates the very organization and aesthetics of your refrigerator, transforming it from a mere storage unit into a well-ordered pantry. In conclusion, investing in the JUFZQO W11130200 freezer glass shelf is like giving your refrigerator a new lease on life, and its flawless design and perfect fit make it an essential upgrade, given that it fits a range of models, including the Whirlpool WRS571CIHW04, the Whirlpool WRS571CIHZ00, and the essential Whirlpool WRS571CIHZ04 freezer shelf. It eliminates the guesswork often associated with finding replacement parts. Hence, it is a truly versatile and reliable solution. Therefore, whether you are replacing a broken shelf or simply want a spare, this product is a dependable choice. On the one hand, it's a functional piece of hardware, but on the other hand, it's a small detail that makes a big difference in your daily life, making your kitchen a more organized and accessible space. Likewise, the easy installation means you won't need to be a handyman to get your refrigerator back in perfect working order. Therefore, this JUFZQO shelf is not just a replacement part, it is a fundamental component that brings back the harmony and efficiency of your appliance. Pros: measures 17.5 by 13 inches, replaces multiple part numbers, compatible with Whirlpool refrigerators, durable glass construction, easy to install, fits freezer compartment, clear glass for visibility, provides extra storage space, keeps food organized, good value for the price, designed for specific Whirlpool models. Cons: doesn't fit all models, glass can break easily, difficult to install. Features: 17.5 by 13-inch dimensions, designed for freezer use, fits Whirlpool refrigerators, compatible with specific models. Replacement part: replaces W10561292, replaces W10773885, replaces WPW1056129, durable and easy to clean. The JUFZQO W11130200 Freezer Glass Shelf is a durable and easy to clean replacement part designed for use in the freezer section of specific Whirlpool refrigerators, including models WRS571CIHW04, WRS571CIHZ00, and WRS571CIHZ04. This shelf, measuring 17.5 by 13 inches, serves as a compatible replacement for parts W11130200, W11133885, and WPW1056129. The JUFZQO W11130200 Freezer Glass Shelf is a replacement part for specific Whirlpool refrigerator models, including the WRS571CIHW04, WRS571CIHZ00, and WRS571CIHZ04, measuring 17.5 by 13 inches. This clear glass shelf is designed to fit in the freezer compartment, offering additional storage and helping to keep food organized. It replaces several part numbers, such as W10561292, W10773885, and WPW1056129. While it's durable and a good value, some users find it can be difficult to install, and like any glass shelf, it is susceptible to breaking.